Just gonna get all this butter melted up. Alrighty. While that is melting, ma'am, is this cooked exactly? Is this cooked exactly how you want it?
Rare, right? I can't see the inside.
Yeah, I can't see the inside either.
It should be right.
It's
They
okay.
didn't cut the inside. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna get both these. Gonna start with our 1 of 3 grilled shrimp. This is my favorite part of the kebab. The shrimp are fantastic. Gonna start out with the hardest part of this now, the lobster tail.
Oh, how easy is that?
And our last 2 grilled shrimp.